Listen and practice English.
At the shop.
Hello, I would like to return these shoes.
Of course. May I ask why you want to return them?
They are too small for my feet.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your purchase.
Sure.
I see you bought them 3 days ago.
Yes, I only wore them once at home.
The shoes still look brand new.
I was careful because I thought I might return them.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I would like to exchange them for a larger size.
What size do you need?
I need one size bigger.
Let me check if we have that size.
Thank you.
Good news, we have your size in stock. Would you like to try them on first?
Yes, just to make sure they fit.
Here you are.
These feel much more comfortable.
Perfect, they fit you well.
I'll take this pair.
Great, I'll complete the exchange.
Thank you for making it so easy.
You're welcome. We want our customers to be happy.
I really appreciate your help.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the police station.
Good afternoon, officer. I need to report a lost phone.
Good afternoon. Please have a seat. When did you lose it?
I think I lost it this afternoon.
Where were you when you last used it?
I was at the shopping mall.
Do you remember the last place you saw it?
Yes, I used it at a coffee shop.
Did you go back and check there?
Yes, but they could not find it.
I see. Can you describe your phone?
It is a white smartphone with a pink case.
Do you know the phone's brand and model?
Yes, it is a Samsung Galaxy.
Was there anything important on the phone?
Yes, my photos, contacts, and work file.
Was the phone protected with a password?
Yes, it has a fingerprint lock.
That's good. It will help protect your information.
I hope no one can use it.
We will file a lost phone report for you.
Thank you. I was very worried.
Do you know your phone number?
Yes, I wrote it down here.
Thank you. This information will help us.
Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, contact your mobile service provider and block the SIM card.
I will do that today.
Here's a copy of your report.
Thank you for your help, officer.
You're welcome. We will contact you if we receive any information.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the grocery store.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
It is in aisle 5 near the dairy section.
Thank you. I am new to this store.
No problem. Can I help you find anything else?
Yes, I also need eggs and bread.
The eggs are next to the milk, and the bread is in aisle 2.
Great, that will save me some time.
Are you shopping for the whole week?
Yes, my refrigerator is almost empty.
Then you might want to check today's special offers.
Really? What is on sale?
Fresh fruits, vegetables, and chicken are all discounted today.
That's perfect. I need all of those.
You can also save more with a store membership card.
I don't have one yet.
You can sign up at the customer service desk.
I'll do that before I leave.
Good idea. It only takes a few minutes.
I think I have everything now.
Great. The checkout counters are straight ahead.
Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your shopping.
My new neighbor.
Hello. Are you moving into this house today?
Yes, we just bought it last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Everyone has been very friendly.
It looks like you have a lot of boxes.
Yes, we packed our whole house.
Do you need a hand carrying them?
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
I'll take these smaller boxes first.
Thanks. I'll carry the bigger ones.
Be careful, that box looks heavy.
It has all our kitchen dishes inside.
Let's put it in the living room.
Good idea.
Is the moving truck completely empty now?
Almost. There are just a few things left.
I see a bicycle in the back.
Yes, that belongs to my son.
Your family is going to love this neighborhood.
We hope so. It seems very peaceful.
There is a nice park just around the corner.
Really? My children will enjoy that.
We also have a grocery store only 5 minutes away.
That is very convenient.
Everything is inside now.
We couldn't have finished this so quickly without your help.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you for making us feel welcome.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your new home.
I'm sure we will. Have a wonderful day.